Hi, I'm Liz Burstein, CEO and co-founder of Neura Health, where our mission is to improve access and quality of care for neurological conditions, starting with chronic headache and migraine. I'm excited to share 5 tips for how to leverage technology for positive social impact. First and foremost, deeply understand the core problem that you're solving. This day and age, I see way too many technology startups building technology in search of a problem. Before setting out to build Neura Health, we interviewed over 100 neurologists as well as hundreds of patients across all of our neurological conditions of interest, from chronic pain to epilepsy to multiple sclerosis to Alzheimer's to Parkinson's to chronic headache and migraine. Only after having these hundreds of conversations did we set out to build our core product. Tip number 2 is to surround yourself with domain experts. As product and tech founders, it was critical for us to find medical advisors as well as clinicians, neuroscientists, researchers, and healthcare administrators to help us learn how to build a great clinical experience for neurology. Tip number 3 is to build iteratively. Adopt a lean startup methodology. What this means in practice is to think about how to quickly test and validate or invalidate various hypotheses you have about how to build a better user experience. By launching small, simple experiments, you can quickly save yourself tons of time in investing in a product that isn't moving in the right direction. Tip number 4, think critically about build versus buy. Really understand the sector that you're building in and think critically about what makes sense to have proprietary within your organization versus what does it make sense to build on top of. Within digital health specifically, there's so many great tools and components of the tech stack that you can build on top of because digital health is undergoing a revolution. Rather than jumping to the assumption that you need to build every piece of your product process in-house, really understand the landscape of what's out there and then think critically about what you can leverage versus what you need to in-house. And last but not least, tip number 5, team. Team should always be your top priority. In order to build a scalable organization and/or function to make a positive impact, think critically about all the areas of expertise that you need to have to achieve your vision and mission. At Neura Health, we have a bold vision of finding cures by learning from the experience of every neurology patient. What this means is we need to constantly be thinking about how to hire and retain top talent across many different disciplines, from customer service to HR to product to technology to clinical to research and beyond.